Hello friends, this is Dr. Umesh Kumar Arya, Faculty of Media Studies. We are going to discuss the cluster analysis in media research today. We open a file. So this is the data. Uh, the data tells you that we have 10 newspapers: Times of India, The Hindu, Indian Express, HT, Bhaskar, Jagran, USA Today, New York Times and Wall Street Journal. And these are the categories of crime on which these newspapers they have reported the news. For example, murder news were reported by Times of India 6,570 times. Similarly, rape, kidnapping, dacoity, etc. So friends, this is an auto-analyzed data which itself is telling you that uh, different newspapers mention these much of the news stories. But we can still go ahead with this data and conduct our cluster analysis. For that, we have to add in Excel stat. Excel stat is a function, rather it is in software which gets attached to the Excel, and it is available as Excel stat. So you click Excel stat and you will see these functions. So we will go to the we will go to analyze data and then agglomerative hierarchical clustering, that is AHC, and this dialog box would be there. So first we have to mention the row labels. You click this and select these newspapers. Again click this. Now come to the variable table. These are our variables and I'm selecting just a few variables for the sake of easiness. So this is the thing, and then we would click OK. Now it will analyze. This is our cluster analysis, and these are the summary statistical figures, that is descriptive statistics. So we have to be very careful in analyzing the cluster analysis results, like we have to interpret the dendrogram, and it is showing some kind of clustering of the newspapers which behaved similarly or differently in reporting the different crime categories. And for further simplification we can scroll down and result by class. We can simply interpret the results like this, that Times of India, The Hindu and New York Times, they were having similarity in the reporting of these crime categories. Indian Express, HT, Bhaskar, USA Today and Wall Street Journal, they were having some kind of similarity in reporting the crime categories. But you see, Jagran is the only newspaper which did not have any similarity with these two clusters. So this is a separate cluster. So this way we can analyze the data newspaper wise, crime category wise, and all the categories together. So we can arrive at some kind of interpretation of the data, and which can make sense to our data analysis. Thank you very much, friends.